Most tech videos show you gadgets you've already seen. A Bluetooth speaker here, a wireless charger there. Nothing that actually makes you stop and think, wait, that's actually real? This one's different. We've got smart glasses that replace a 130-inch TV, a gun safe that looks nothing like a gun safe, and somewhere at the very end, that cube-shaped phone you saw in the thumbnail. Trust me, that one alone is worth sticking around for. 20 gadgets, every single one on Amazon right now. No recycled content, no fluff. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. First up, and we're already starting with something that doesn't look real. This holographic display fan looks like a normal spinning fan until it turns on. Suddenly, a full 3D hologram appears floating in midair. Logos, animations, product visuals, videos, all hovering right in front of you like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Control everything wirelessly from your phone via Wi-Fi. Whether you're running a small business or just want the most insane desk piece in America right now, nothing grabs attention quite like this. Most gun safes look exactly like what they are. A big metal box sitting on your nightstand screaming, "There's something valuable in here." This one is completely different. It sits on your nightstand looking like a premium smart device, showing the time, temperature, and wirelessly charging your phone. Press your fingerprint and it pops open in seconds. Secure storage, smart features, and a cleaner bedside setup, all in one device nobody would ever suspect. Imagine watching a 130-inch screen without owning a single TV. These TCL Smart Glasses connect to your phone, laptop, or game console and turn whatever you're watching into a private cinema right in front of your eyes. Dual OLED displays, built-in speakers, lightweight enough to wear for hours. Watch movies on a flight, game without disturbing anyone, or just escape into your own world anywhere you go. This feels less like glasses and more like carrying a giant screen in your pocket. Custom t-shirts at home used to mean buying expensive equipment and dealing with constant maintenance. This desktop DTF printer completely changes that. It prints, powders, bakes, and cuts, all in one machine. And here's the part that's genuinely insane. An AI camera detects clogged nozzles and automatically cleans only the blocked area. Less wasted ink, less maintenance, more time actually creating, whether it's custom shirts for yourself or a small side hustle. This turns professional printing into a one-button job. And stick around, because what's coming up at number 9 is the kind of find that makes you wonder why nobody's talking about it yet. Your cables are a mess. Your storage boxes are unlabeled. Your kitchen jars look identical. This tiny label printer connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and in seconds you've got clean professional labels for literally anything. No ink, no toner, no complicated setup. Fits in your pocket and goes wherever you go. Once you start labeling things, you will genuinely wonder how you lived without this. Your tape measure is officially outdated. This pocket-sized gadget measures straight lines, curves, circles, and irregular shapes with digital precision. Just roll it across any surface and the measurement appears instantly on screen. Need more? It connects to your phone, exports directly to CAD files, and has a built-in laser for extra accuracy. This isn't a tape measure. This is what measuring looks like in 2026. Every traveler in America knows the pain of carrying 3 separate things: a power bank, a wall charger, and a travel adapter. This device replaces all 3 at once. 20,000 mAh battery, dual 140-watt USB-C charging, built-in wall plug, and a solar panel for emergency power. Plug it straight into the wall to recharge. Power your laptop, phone, and tablet simultaneously. This might genuinely be the last power bank you ever need to buy. Most desk lamps light up half your workspace and leave the rest in shadows. This one covers up to 160 centimeters across your entire desk. Dual monitors, keyboard, sketchpad, everything. 3 light sources, adjustable warmth, adjustable brightness, instant control. No more repositioning your lamp 100 times a day. The light finally comes to you. This is what a desk lamp looks like when it's actually built for productivity. Game nights just got a serious upgrade. This electronic dartboard keeps score automatically for up to 8 players. No math, no arguments, no someone conveniently forgetting the count. 28 built-in games, performance stats after every match, and a cabinet that stores your darts when you're done. If your game room feels like it's missing something, this is probably it. 2 more before the halfway point, and number 11 is one of those Amazon finds that genuinely surprises people. Okay, hear me out on this one. Nobody expects a giant glowing banana sitting on a table, but the second you turn this on, the soft, warm glow completely transforms the vibe of any room. Desk, bedroom, gaming setup, it instantly feels more premium and more interesting. Part lamp, part conversation starter, and honestly, one of the most unique room gadgets you're going to find on Amazon right now. People walk in, see it, and immediately ask where you got it. Still typing everything on your phone screen? This pocket-sized Bluetooth keyboard folds small enough to fit in your jacket pocket and opens into a full typing setup in seconds. Built-in stand holds your phone or tablet at the perfect angle. Emails, notes, schoolwork, remote work on the go, all without carrying a laptop. The first time you type a full email on this instead of your phone screen, you're never going back. Don't let the size fool you. This tiny speaker delivers sound that genuinely surprises people the first time they hear it. Magnetic design snaps onto any metal surface, desk, workshop, car, anywhere. Instant Bluetooth connection, RGB lighting, compact enough to throw in any bag. It's loud, it's clean, and it goes wherever you go without making you think twice about carrying it. One pad, 3 devices. Done. This 3-in-1 wireless charging station powers your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds simultaneously. Just place them down and charging starts instantly. Fast charging support, clean, minimal design, zero cable clutter. If your nightstand or desk looks like a cable graveyard right now, this is the fix. Want your phone videos to actually look like they were shot with intention? This magnetic camera grip attaches to the back of your phone in seconds and gives you a comfortable camera-style hold that immediately reduces shake and improves stability. Perfect for vlogging, content creation, or just shooting better videos without buying a whole new camera setup. Small upgrade, noticeably better results. And 2 left. Save the last one because that cube phone from the thumbnail is up next. Making custom stickers and labels used to mean ordering online and waiting a week. This mini sticker printer connects directly to your phone and prints instantly wherever you are. Inkless thermal technology. No cartridges, no refills, no maintenance. Notes, labels, study materials, custom stickers for anything. Compact enough to carry in your bag every single day. Your pocket just became a print shop. Most people underestimate how useful a genuinely good flashlight is until the one moment they actually need one. This mini EDC flashlight delivers surprisingly powerful brightness from something that fits flat in your pocket. Magnetic base and clip for completely hands-free use. Rechargeable battery that lasts for hours. Power outage, camping, late-night car trouble on the highway. This thing is always ready when everything else isn't. Building furniture or assembling a PC setup by hand is honestly a workout nobody asked for. This electric screwdriver comes with 16 precision bits, adjustable torque, built-in LED for tight spaces, and enough battery to drive hundreds of screws on a single charge. Magnetic case keeps everything organized, so you're never hunting for the right bit. Fast, clean, and the kind of tool that makes you wonder why you ever did it manually. Okay, this is the one from the thumbnail. And the story behind it is actually more interesting than the product itself. OPPO unveiled the X3, a cube-shaped smartphone with a 6-sided display, an omnidirectional titanium hinge, and the ability to run 54 apps simultaneously. People lost their minds over it. The internet went crazy. And then OPPO admitted the whole thing was an April Fool's prank. But here's what makes this genuinely fascinating. Companies do this on purpose. They drop fake concepts to measure exactly how people react before investing millions into real development. So the Cube phone isn't real today, but the ideas behind it, some of them might be closer than you think. All right, 20 gadgets, every single one worth your time. From that Fingerprint Gun Safe that looks nothing like a safe to that Cube phone that broke the internet for a day, this list had something for everyone. Everything's linked in the description, so go grab whatever caught your eye. And if you want to see more gadgets that actually surprise you, check out this video next. I promise it's worth your time. Subscribe to toolwiserz, and I'll catch you in the next one.